I am headed out of the house, out the gate. Anytime you leave the house in Mexico, you got to have your face covered. So I'm not going in far, but just in the neighborhood. So anyway, going to do my 30-day push-up, pull-up challenge and see with my fitness test to see how many I can get right now. Catching a bit. It's a pretty cool neighborhood, lots of nice houses. One of the very nice things about this neighborhood is that there is a little park right up the street here in the neighborhood, and so that was one of the things that sold us on the house. I've been walking this neighborhood. If you walk the streets all down, up and down the streets, you get about 2 miles. My Achilles is kind of hurting the last couple of times I've been walking, so I'm just gonna take it easy today, unless it stretches out in a little bit, and maybe I'll get a couple miles in. But for the most part, I'm just chilling. It's a beautiful neighborhood. I may walk around a little bit and just show you a block or two. So here I am, 2-minute walk, not even that, 30, maybe a 60-second walk down to the park. As you can see, everything is still roped off, like not for use by kids or what have you. But I'm going to use these monkey bars to knock out some pull-ups. See how many I can get. All right, so I'm out here. I'll pull the mask down so I can breathe. But I'm throwing on my gloves. And I'm just gonna see, I'm gonna go until I can't go anymore. Which means I'm gonna be really sore tomorrow. Let's see how many I can get. I got about 20 first time underhand. Let's see if I can get any overhand. I don't know if these gloves. I might be done, folks. Overhand definitely ain't gonna happen right now. Let's try this way. Nope. I'm done. 20, that's it.